Good afternoon, everyone. Today, as part of our walk and talk interaction, we'll be discussing memorable episodes from school life. To share his experience, I'm pleased to invite my classmate, Mr. Gajendra, who will be reflecting on one of the most significant and unforgettable days from his school journey. Thank you for joining us, Gajendra, and let me begin with the first question. So, tell me, what was the most memorable day of your school life?
This happened in my class 9th. I used to be a house leader for Sachin. My house name was Sachin. So my brother used to be ASPL, assistant school people leader. So he used to do all this event works, everything. Like even as a house leader, I used to be in a group only. In middle, I used to be standing. I used to be serving my duties. Then one day it came. He was absent.
Okay,
So he was absent, and they called me to do his like duties which has to be done by ASPL, and I went in front of the huge number of crowd. That is my first time going in front of the huge crowd and performing those activities.
Okay, so I want to know what make that day so much special for you. So, like, what was that moment? What was the it moment that you recall that
Like,
much?
see, every time you will be just into the groups, you will be answering everything. You can like just go and escape the situation. But when you go in front of people, you should perform everything. Obviously, I'm nervous initially. Somehow I managed to do that, like escape that day. Not escape. Actually, I did well. So after that, like it gave me a confidence that I can do come in front of the crowd. I can manage the crowd. So from there it all started. So I remember that a particular day for my motivation if I want to go and give presentation somewhere.
Okay, so how was the crowd's reaction? Like when you have given it, your friends might be seeing you, and
Obviously,
they.
there is a mixed reaction. Some people will be roasting you from there.
Uh-huh.
They'll be laughing at you, but you should control everything and you should move on.
Okay, so what was one lesson that you have learned from that incident? Like you can share with us.
One motivation, like it's like self confidence.
Self-confidence.
I'll tell self confidence. It gave me more self confidence. From then, like I used to be participating in those kind of activities more from then on, and during my 11th and 12th class, I was like continuously I was doing other events, event management. Then I used to participate in those dance. So everything I used to.
So from this event, that event that you have mentioned, anything that you can relate with nowadays MBA current life?
So now, like you
Like
become like I completed my engineering. Now it become like very familiar with those kind of situation. I can just easily go and stand in front of people and I can give presentation. I can speak to those people. I can like I have managed two three clients meeting also in my during my workings. So it is, that is the base. That is the situation which gave me like self confidence.
self-confidence that you can go ahead and be in front of the crowd. Okay, thank you. That's all from our end. Thank you, Gajin, for giving us this.
Thank you, Jan.
Thank you.